why you feel tired all the time and how to fix it. Feeling tired all the time is common, but there are real reasons behind it and simple ways to feel better. Fatigue often stems from poor sleep, low nutrients, chronic stress, or overworking your body and mind. Eating too much sugar and not enough balanced nutrients can drain your energy fast. Start small, stay consistent, and take back control of your energy one step at a time. Sitting too long slows your body down, while regular movement helps energize and refresh you. Stress, anxiety, and depression are major energy zappers that deserve care and attention. Better sleep starts with a routine, limit screens, caffeine, and stick to a regular bedtime. Persistent fatigue could signal a medical issue, so don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. Fuel up with whole foods, move often, and reduce stress with simple mindfulness practices. A daily routine helps your body stay balanced, productive, and better rested. Keep a journal to spot what drains or boosts your energy, then adjust your habits accordingly. Start small, stay consistent, and take back control of your energy one step at a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on taking charge of your